Hi, welcome to Pop's Grill and Q. Today we're going to do fried chicken. We're going to put something on the griddle, Blackstone griddle that we have, and fry the chicken. So here we go. First thing I did was I took some buttermilk with some hot sauce and marinated my chicken for about 3-4 hours. It's not going to make it real spicy or hot. If you want it spicy, add a little bit of cayenne pepper, take some pickled jalapeno, put that in there as well, that'll spice up the chicken. So this is what we have right here. We're also going to do some fried pickles. We're also going to do some fried eggplant. So what I do, I have a mixture of my flour here. It's got salt and pepper. It's got a little onion powder, garlic powder, as well as some smoked paprika. And all we're going to do, this little shaker here, is basically an easy way to go ahead and flour your chicken. You watch how that, I'll show you how it works. So we got our chicken. We'll place it in flour. And I'll do 2 pieces right now. And what we'll do is shake it up. Take the top off. And here's your flour chicken. You'll put this on a rack. We'll get the next piece. Shake off the excess. Put that on a rack. And just repeat. I'm going to go ahead and take the chicken, put it in the flour. And basically, just repeat the process. If you don't have one of these things, you can just put yourself a platter and just normally go ahead and just use your method of just applying your egg wash or your flour. And you can double batter it or not. But this kind of makes things easier for me. Now, I had it, so I thought I'd use it. Comes out to be pretty handy. And there we go. Our chicken is battered. Put this on the side on a rack. Dust off the excess. And now what we're going to do is going to take our pickles. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to dump it in this batter that I had with the hot sauce and the buttermilk, and I'll throw those in. Mix that around. I'll throw this in the flour. And we'll give this a shake. Take this out. And now we have our pickles. We'll set that to the side. And what we'll do is we'll take our eggplant. An eggplant. Take this top off, throw that away. And I'm going to make some slices. And what we'll do with this pepper. Both sides. A little salt. And we'll dip these in the same batter again. Very simple process. We'll let these marinate a little bit. And then we'll put this in the flour as well. Give it a good shake. If you need to add more flour to it, you can do so, but I think we got enough flour in here. We'll pull these off. And we'll kind of just use that leftover flour that's in here just to make certain that we got it covered. And there we go. Got an eggplant all battered up. So next step is to get the oil real hot. And we'll fry our chicken first. Then we'll throw our pickles in there and our eggplant. I made a pot of string beans, and I'll go along with this. So what we'll do, we'll go out there on a Blackstone griddle, and we'll cook us up some chicken, some eggplant, and some fried pickles. Okay, we're back. We're on the Blackstone grill right here. We're frying our chicken up, along with our pickles and our eggplant. Got the fire at 355 degrees. Welcome back. This is the final product right here. We got some fried chicken on the Blackstone griddle. I fried some pickles. And I got some fried eggplant right here. If you want to just take a little cheese, add a little cheese to your eggplant. Let that kind of melt. And that's the final product. Remember, if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Share the video, subscribe to the channel. Hey, I try to make meals that are simple that anybody can do. Once again, it's the fried chicken with the fried pickles, the fried eggplant with some string beans. Can't beat it. Don't forget to give me the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share it. We'll see you next time at the Q.